Hi, Stacy. It's Devin again. Thanks so much for speaking to me on the phone earlier. In this quick video, I'm going to give you 3 simple tips you can easily follow so you can start beating McAllen Valley Roofing, because if you type in McAllen Roofing, these guys show up right at the top. I'm going to show you how easy it would be to copy them and then beat them. I know you're probably wondering why I'd even make you this video. I just found out a little while ago there's lots of roofers that are so busy running their business, they don't have the time to learn how to make the internet bring them more customers. And the only thing stopping them from hiring somebody to help them is they don't know who is an expert and who's not. So I started creating these attack plans and just giving them away for free. And most people take this information and just do it themselves. Some people say, Devin, I like you. I don't have time to do this. Can you do this for me? And that's cool too. Whatever you want to do with this information is totally okay with me. My only goal is to educate you and help you make a lot of money. I'm going to talk to you about 3 quick things today: content, backlinks, and citations. First off though, great job on the website. I love the little shimmering like gold look you have going on, and then you keep that color scheme throughout the entire website. You've got a nice sticky header that follows you that gives you easy links to the entire website. You've got trust building badges here, custom imagery. This is an awesome looking and awesome designed website, so great job. Now, what Google cares about mostly when it comes to ranking your website is content, all this stuff that you can highlight and read. The average website on the front page of Google has 1,500 words of content, so that's kind of where you want to start. And you guys are currently at 896 words, so great job. That is a fantastic start. Now, McAllen Valley Roofing, if we go and copy all theirs, you can see they're currently sitting at 1,007. So they're not that much further ahead of you, but then by getting yourself to 1,500 words, you're going to blow them out of the water. Plus, you're going to give yourself more room to fit in what's called buyer intent keywords, which are just phrases that people commonly type into Google when they're ready to purchase from your business. So some of the ones you can use are, for example, like McAllen Roofing, 200 people search this every month. McAllen Roofer, 150 people search that every month. Roofing companies, McAllen TX, 100 people search that every month. So if you're number one for those 3 keywords alone, you'd be number one in front of 450 people every single month who wanted to speak to a roofing contractor in McAllen. Imagine how much money you'd make every month with that. So you want to make sure you have those keywords inside of your content. And you do have McAllen Roofing right at the bottom here one time. I would definitely put it in there a couple more times. You don't need that one. That's your competitor. McAllen Roofer. You've got that one down here too. So you've got it in one time. Not very many times. I would definitely make sure you put these keywords like inside of your headings, right here, inside of your title up here, inside of the body of your content. And then you can even save your images as keywords too. So like instead of this date here, this could be, oops, I deleted it. But you get the point. This could be like McAllen Roofing or something like that if I go over here. And that'll help you rank for that keyword. So that is my first tip for you regarding content. My next tip for you is called backlinks. A backlink is when another website is linking to your website, driving traffic to your website. This is important because Google's like a popularity contest. They want to see a bunch of trustworthy and relevant websites vouching for your website. Like I said, they want to see trustworthy and relevant websites. You're going to get a lot more power if you have other roofing and construction companies linking to you versus having like Pizza Hut linking to you, just because Google knows you're not a pizza company. So the tool I use to check out backlinks is called Ahrefs. You don't need to pay for this tool. Just Google backlink checker. You can see this data for free. It says you have 21 websites linking to you, while McAllen Valley Roofing has 124 websites linking to them. This is one of the big reasons they're also outranking you, but they've done all the hard work for you. If these 124 websites are good enough to rank them, they're going to be good enough to rank you too. So I would just copy them and go to every single one of these websites the same way they did and put a link on each website back to my homepage. And a lot of times it's really simple, like expertise, you hit get listed, yellow pages, you hit sign up, super pages, you hit join, you create a free profile, you put a link in your free profile back to your website, and that's simple, you've got a backlink. So it's easy to do, it just takes some time, but if you copy their backlinks and you beat them in content, those 2 tips alone are enough to get you ranked number 1 organically here. My last tip is how to show up in the map section. If you want to be number 1 in the map section, you just need to have more citations than your competitors. A citation is when you list your name, address, and phone number inside of a directory, which is just a website that allows you to list your business's information, kind of like Yelp, Yext, Yellow Pages, stuff like that. So if I were in your shoes, I'd figure out what directories McAllen Valley Roofing Company was in. I'd put myself in the same ones and then add a bunch on top. If McAllen Valley Roofing Company was in 150 directories, I put myself in at least 300. But that is all I have for you, Stacy. I hope you found this informative and helpful. I tried to keep this short and to the point for you. As a quick recap, you want 1,500 words of content on this homepage with buyer intent keywords inside of that content. Feel free to pause this video and take these and fit these into your content. Then get the websites linking to McAllen Valley Roofing and get them linking back to yourself. And then put your name, address, and phone number in more directories in McAllen Valley Roofing. Stacy, if you follow these 3 tips, this is how you become number 1 across the entire front page of Google. You're probably asking, what do I do now? You have two options. The first one is to take this information and do it yourself. This is a great route to go. It's what many people do. The less time you wait to get started, the less catching up you have to do. If you have any questions or if you want any help getting this done, give me a call at 972-736-8808. I'd be happy to hear your goals and give you a free attack plan on what to do next. It was great speaking to you on the phone earlier, Stacy. I hope this video was helpful and I hope you have an awesome day. I'll see you. I look forward to hearing your feedback. All right, have a great day.